Sensei Chris Conover. Today, you guys are going to be learning your basic bow staff strikes. If you don't have a bow staff, click the link in the description below or go to our pro shop at tryfreekarate.com. This is the #1 most important bow staff video because we're learning how to use your bow staff. So get some space, get off the couch, put your uniform on, and let's learn how to use your bow staff. The first thing that we want to learn is how to hold our bow staff. So we want to take our left hand, we're going to put our left hand down, our right hand is going to go up, so they're opposite. So I'll do it with you guys. So your left hand is down, your right hand is up. Now, I want you guys to glue your hands to your bow staff. Do not move your hands. Never move your hands when you're doing bow staff until later. So, let's learn how to do our first strike. This strike is just our basic left bow strike. So if our hands are here, this is going to be our ready position. So every time I say ready position, you guys are going to just go out, just like this, our ready position. Strike #1, we're going to pull our left hand in and push our right hand out. That's going to be how most of our strikes are with bow staff. It's going to be a push on one side and a pull on the other side. That's how we get all of our power. So we go to our ready position, our left hand comes in, your right hand comes out. Now, as you can see, my bow staff is going straight forward. That's really important. We want to make sure all of our strikes are nice and straight, so that way they look cleaner. So, our hands are here, we pull the bow staff in, push out. Now, there's only one more thing we need to do. We need to look at our right hand knuckles, and we want to rotate them on top. All right, go to your ready position. We're going to pull with our left hand, push with our right. Again, pull with our left, push with our right. Are your knuckles rotated on top? Make sure they are. One more time. Push with your right, pull with your left, go. Ayah! All right, now I'm going to turn around and you guys are going to do it with me. We're going to do it 3 times. Can you guys be faster and louder than me? Let's see. 1, ayah! Ready position. 2, ayah! Ready position. 3, ayah! Now, if your side isn't hurting right here, you're not hitting strong enough. So make sure that that's hurting, and then you know that you're hitting with your bow staff hard enough. All right, our next strike is going to go right from the first strike we learned. So everybody go to ready position. We're going to do our first strike. Ayah! Now, our next strike, we're just going to come across and hit with the back side of our bow staff. So let's learn how to do that. Remember, everything in bow staff is push and pull. So we're going to pull our right hand, push with our left until we're right there. Now, if you look at my arm, it's bent. So it's almost like a hook punch with your bow staff. So we're here, pull with our right, push with our left, bam. Now we hit. So I'm going to turn around, you guys are going to do it with me. We're in our strike #1. We pull with our right and push, we come across. This time your bow staff's going to be hitting your shoulder. Okay, so we're in our strike #1 and switch. Ayah! Awesome, I'm going to turn back around. Let's do it a little faster. Let's see, strike #1, ayah! Now, when I say strike #2, you're going to push and pull with that arm bent just like a hook punch, and that's where we hit our target, right there. So, we're in strike 1, strike 2, go, ayah! Strike 1, strike 2, go, ayah! Last time, best time. Strike 2, go, ayah! Awesome. Now again, if your shoulder isn't hurting, you're not doing it hard enough, so make sure you're hitting really, really hard. So, now we're going to combine those together. We're going to do our strike #1 and our strike #2 in a little combo. So, everybody get to your ready position. When I say go, we're going to go 1, switch, 2, and freeze. Then we're going to add some stances. So, we're here, ready, set, go. Ayah! Awesome. Did you guys go as fast as me? Let's do it again. 2, ayah! All right, last time, and 3, ayah! Awesome, now I'm going to turn around, you guys are going to do it with me 3 times. 1, ayah! Awesome, 2, ayah! Last time, best time, go! Ayah! Alright, it's time for you guys to learn your strike #3. Your strike #3 is what's called a traditional strike. So it's not going to be all of these strikes up here, we're going to learn the traditional strike. So here's how we're going to start. Our feet are going to be together, we're going to be in our ready position. Now, we're going to move our ready position for this one a little bit. We're going to take your right hand and you're going to put it closer to your shoulder. So now the right side of your bow staff is sitting on your shoulder. And as you can see again, everything's straight. That's going to make it look cleaner. If it's out here and I come across to do the strike, it's not going to look as good. So make sure it goes straight up, straight down. So let's do it. So we're here. All we're going to do is pull pull with our left and push with our right. Okay, so we pull with our left hand's gonna slide down our bow until it's on our hip by our belt. Your right hand is gonna go all the way out and push until it's straight. Remember those knuckles, have those knuckles on top. So let's do it again, we're here, we push, bam, that's where the strike happens right there. Okay, again, we're here, we pull with our left, push with our right, strike. Okay, now again, everything's straight. Everything's straight. I'm not over here. I'm not over here. Everything's straight. So we're up and push and pull, traditional strike. Okay, let's do it with a loud hi-ya now. We're on our shoulder and 1, hi-ya. Again, 2, hi-ya. And again, 3, hi-ya. Awesome. Let's just do that. And I'm going to turn around. You guys are going to do it with me. So feet are together, up on our shoulder. 1, hi-ya. 2, hi-ya. Last one, 3, hi-ya. All right, there's one more thing that we have to do to really make this a traditional strike, and that is adding our front stance. So our feet are together, our bow staff's on our shoulder. We're going to step out with our right foot. So if you guys are doing it with me, it's going to be this foot, the same side that your bow staff's on. Okay, we're going to step out with that right foot, and our stance is going to hit at the same time as our bow staff. So we step out, hit, and everything comes to a stop at the same time. So let's do that again. We're here at our shoulder in our traditional stance ready position, and go. Hi-ya! Awesome, so make sure on your front stances, both feet are facing the same direction with this knee over top of your ankle. So we're here in that stance, everything's straight. Let's do it again. Up on our shoulder, 1, hi-ya! Good, again, ready position. 2, hi-ya! One more time, 3, hi-ya! Awesome, I'm going to turn around, you guys are going to do it with me. 1, hi-ya! 2, hi-ya! 3, hi-ya! Awesome. Now, we're going to make a combo with all 3 of the strikes that you guys just learned. So we learned our first strike, our basic strike, our second strike goes across, and then our next strike is a traditional strike. So now let's do a little bit of a combo with it. So we're going to start in our ready position. We're going to go out to our left. So if I'm turned around, left is going to be that way. Okay? So I'm going to go out to my left in the front stance, and I'm going to do my basic strike right here. Okay? Now, I'm going to switch into our second strike, and then back to our basic strike. So let's do that again. So we're here, we go out, strike, 2, back to our first strike. Okay? Again, go. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. And back up. Ready position. Go. 1, 2, 3. All right. One more time. Go. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. I'm going to turn around. You guys are going to do it with me. Ready, set, go. Hi-ya. Did you guys have a nice loud hi-ya at home? Let's hear it. 2. Hi-ya. And again. 3. Hi-ya. All right. Awesome job, guys. Now, we're going to learn how to do our basic strike to the other side. So, everybody go to your first basic strike. We're right here. Now we have to learn how to strike and do the same strike on the other side. So, to do that, we're going to come back to our ready position. We're going to switch our hands. That's the tricky part. So, we're in our ready position. You guys are going to do it with me. I'm right here. Watch my hands. Turn. So if I'm in my ready position, my right hand is going to come towards me until it goes halfway. Then from here, you're going to bring it back down, pull that left hand in, and now we're in a right strike. So let's do that again. We're in our ready position. Our right hand comes around. We bring it down, and then we pull that left hand in. And again, everything's straight. Knuckles are on top. So one more time. Ready position, we turn, pull that left hand down for a strike. Okay? All right, so now we're going to do the little combo we just did, and we're going to add that to it. So, we're in our ready position, we do strike number 1, strike number 2, back to strike number 1. Now from here, we're going to rewind into our ready position. We turn our hands for our next strike, and right when we strike, that's when our stance shifts. So we strike, hi-ya! Now our stance shifts. So now we're going to do our strike number 2 to the right side. So all we're going to do is take our right hand, pull it back to your shoulder, and it's hitting with that left side of the bow staff. And then we strike back to there. All right, let's do that again. We're in our ready position. We strike 1, strike 2, strike 3. Now we rewind, switch it, strike 1, strike 2, strike 3. All right, you guys ready to try that fast? Let's do it. I'm going to turn around. When I say go, we're going to do the first 1, 2, 3. Ready, set, go. Hiya! Now when I say go, you're going to do the second 1, 2, 3. So we come over, 1, 2, 3. So let's do it. Go. Hiya! Awesome. Do you guys think you're ready to add it all together? I think so. Let's do it. So we're here. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Hiya! 1, 2, 3, go. Hiya! All right, again. Faster this time. 1, 2, 3, go. Hiya! 1, 2, 3, go. Hiya! Awesome. Give yourself a round of applause. It's time to put that traditional strike in with all of your other strikes in that combo we made. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to the end of our combo. We just did 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're right here. Now we're going to go back to our first strike, okay, by rewinding. We did opposite. We switch. Now in our ready position, strike. That's going to be towards the front. So let's do that again. We're in our second strike. We come back. We go back to our ready position, and then we strike to the front. Remember, I already said this once, but it's super important. Glue your hands to the bow staff. Don't be switching your hands around, because I promise you, there's a way to get to the strike without switching your hands around. So, we're in that strike right here. We come back to our ready position, strike to the front. Now, we're going to do another second strike to the right side. We're going to come over our head to that strike, except for this time, it's going to be a low strike. So instead of aiming for their chest, we're going to be aiming for their knees. Okay, so we're back to here. We go over the head, strike 1, over the head, strike 2, but down. Now, here's where we have that traditional strike. Your back foot is going to come together, and at the same time, we're going to go to our traditional strike ready position. So let's try that again. So we're here, we come over our head, strike 1, switch it, strike 2 low. We bring our feet together, up to our ready position, and then we just do our traditional strike. So again, our traditional strike, we're going to step out with our right foot, and traditional strike with a loud hi-ya. All right, let's do it again. So we're here, we come over the head, strike number 2 down, up. Remember, we're staying low. We're in a high close stance, staying low, so that way we can step out into our front stance with a loud hi-ya. All right, a little bit faster this time. We're here, over the head, strike 1, strike 2, up, traditional strike. Awesome. I'm going to turn around now. You guys are going to do it with me. So, from here, we come over our head, strike 1, over our head, strike 2 low, step together, traditional strike, hi-ya. All right, we're going to do that one more time slow, and then we'll do it fast. So we're here, over the head, strike down, step together, traditional strike. Awesome, let's do it fast now. So we're here, when I say go, we're going to do 1, 2, 3. Go, 1, 2, 3. Hiya! Awesome, again, we're here. 1, 2, 3. Hiya! All right, last time, best time. 1, 2, 3. Hiya! Are you guys ready to do the whole combo? I think so. Let's do it. We're going to do our ready position right here. We're going to do the 1, 2, 3 to the left, 1, 2, 3 to the right, and then 1, 2, 3 to the front. So when I say go, we're going to do the first 1, 2, 3. Ready, set, go. Hiya! Next 1, 2, 3, go. Hiya! Next 1, 2, 3, go. Over the head, 1, 2, 3. Hiya! Awesome, again. To the left, 1, 2, 3. Hiya! To the right. Hiya! To the front. 1, 2, 3. Hiya! All right. all together now. I want to see if you guys can be louder than me. All right, ready? Go! Hiya! 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 Were you guys louder than me? I think we have to do it again. You guys gotta be louder. And go! Hiya! 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 Alright, give yourselves a round of applause. You guys just learned a beginner bow staff combo with just the basic strikes. That is a great combo to have if you guys are looking to compete. Have it at the beginning of your form. That is an awesome combo. So great job, guys. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this lesson. I'm going to give you guys a little sneak peek on what we're learning in the next lesson. We're learning throws and spins. So you guys are going to learn stuff like this. Hiya! Alright, now you guys know what we're learning in the next lesson. We're learning spins and throws. Hope to see you guys there. One clap, Cyber Sensei!